Hi everybody, this is Amelia with the Ellenville Public Library Museum, and this is the tutorial for this week's crafting kit. I'm going to be using oversized versions of what you have in your kit so that it will be a little bit easier for you to follow along with the folding. So today's craft is the Monster Bookmark. So you will have a piece of origami paper much smaller than this, but it will be white on one side and colored on the other side. So first we are going to fold our paper like a hot dog and crease. And open it up and do it on the other side. Now, flip it over, and from this point to this point, we are going to fold diagonally in half. So it's a giant, well, mine is giant, yours will be normal sized, triangle. Open it up, flip it over to the white side. Take the points where it's folded through, you can see the creases, and fold them into the center of your origami sheet. Line it up as precisely as you can and crease it hard. Now flip it back over, and these should pop right in. You can make the creases touch. See? Pop like that. And then you just gather and press, and you should have something that looks like this. And this is the base of our monster bookmark. Okay, so next you're going to want to take one of these and fold it so that it tucks up and over to create this very simple pocket. As you can see, it has covered all of the stuff that was there before. And it's very simple. You just tuck it like a bed sheet right in there and crease it hard. And here we have our monster base. Ah. Okay. Next, you're going to want to take a pair of scissors and the other origami paper you were given and cut out a mouth for your monster. Try to make it a square. You can fold it if you would like. Now take your square and slip it inside of your monster's mouth to see if it fits. It fits pretty well, but I think it could be a little bit better. Okay, now put glue from your glue stick on the back of this. Now that you have glue on your paper, slide it in to your monster's mouth and press down hard so that it seals. Give it a little bit to actually adhere. Cut a strip of paper and line it up with your monster's mouth. Trim it, and I like to snip it like this because teeth generally don't just start in squares like this, and it might fit a little bit better inside the actual mouth. First, try to see how big you need it, and then cut the teeth for the monster. Now that you have your teeth, see if they fit into your monster's mouth. That looks pretty good. Alright, now put glue on this part of the teeth. Slide your teeth into the mouth and press down firmly so that the teeth adhere. Okay, now you guys will have googly eyes in your kits, but I do not have googly eyes this big. So I'm actually going to quickly make a pair of my own googly eyes. Okay, I have made my googly eyes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and press them, I think I like them like that, onto my monster. And now if you have extra, you can use scissors, extra paper. You can use scissors to create some cool monster designs to put on this, like maybe we want to make some horns. So to do that, you might want to cut a curve. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue on these and stick them to the back here. Actually, what's really cool about this design is we have these side pockets here. We could just put them in there and then you wouldn't be able to see the back. And there we have a monster bookmark. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with this take and make craft. Remember to make your monster as cool or kooky as you want. We included a lot of googly eyes if you wanted to give your monster a ton of eyes. You can make the teeth and mouth however you want, and there are 100 different ways to do this craft. But it's really fun. Alright guys, thank you for joining me for this tutorial.